Looking for Amazon finds that are actually worth buying? You're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 25 of the best home gadgets and everyday products that are practical, clever, and surprisingly useful. If you enjoy discovering cool Amazon finds, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Let's get started. Deep cleaning your home just got way easier with this portable steam cleaner. It heats up in about 15 seconds and uses powerful steam to help break down dirt, grease, grime, and buildup without needing harsh scrubbing. The large water tank gives you more cleaning time, while the adjustable handle makes it easier to use around different areas of the house. It also comes with multiple accessories, so you can clean grout, tile, couches, car interiors, kitchen surfaces, bathroom corners, and more. Whether you're refreshing your home or tackling those hard-to-clean spots, this is one of those gadgets that makes cleaning feel a lot more satisfying. If dust keeps building up in your keyboard, computer, car vents, or hard-to-reach corners, this electric air duster makes cleanup quick and satisfying. It delivers powerful airflow with adjustable speed settings, so you can use it for delicate electronics or stronger cleaning jobs around the house. Unlike disposable compressed air cans, this one is rechargeable and reusable, making it a more convenient option long-term. It's compact, easy to hold, and great for desks, gaming setups, keyboards, camera gear, car interiors, and small spaces where dust loves to hide. Love cooking but hate when smoke and food smells linger long after you're done? This portable range hood is a clever solution for kitchens without built-in ventilation. Simply place it on your countertop, switch it on, and it helps capture smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors while you prepare your favorite meals. It's perfect for indoor BBQs, hot pot dinners, tabletop grills, small apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, or even camping setups with power. The detachable aluminum filter and large oil collection cup make cleanup quick and easy, while the compact design lets you move it wherever you need it. It's one of those kitchen gadgets that instantly makes cooking more enjoyable and your space feel fresher. Turn any room into your own relaxing escape with this Northern Galaxy Aurora projector. It fills your ceiling and walls with colorful aurora waves and star effects, creating an incredible atmosphere for movie nights, gaming, or simply winding down after a long day. With dozens of lighting combinations, built-in white noise, a Bluetooth speaker, and an easy-to-use remote, it's more than just a nightlight. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy evening or adding something unique to your room, this projector instantly transforms the entire space with the press of a button. If you want cleaner air without constantly thinking about it, this air purifier is a great upgrade for your home. Its true HEPA H13 filter helps capture smoke, dust, pollen, pet dander, odors, and other tiny airborne particles, helping your space feel fresher every day. It's designed to cover large rooms while running quietly enough for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. Whether you have pets, allergies, or simply want to improve your indoor air quality, this is one of those home essentials you'll appreciate every time you take a deep breath. Mopping doesn't have to mean bending over, touching dirty pads, or making a mess anymore. This hands-free flat floor mop is designed with a clever foot tap locking system, letting you attach and remove cleaning pads without using your hands. The 360-degree swivel head easily glides around furniture, under beds, and into tight corners, while the adjustable aluminum handle keeps cleaning comfortable. It's compatible with most wet and dry pads, making it perfect for everything from quick dusting to deep cleaning hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors. If you're looking for a faster, cleaner, and more convenient way to keep your floors spotless, this is a home upgrade you'll wish you had sooner. Running out of space to dry your clothes? This wall-mounted foldable drying rack is a smart solution that gives you extra drying space only when you need it. Simply pull it open to hang clothes, towels, sweaters, or delicate items. Then fold it flat against the wall when you're finished to keep your laundry area clean and clutter-free. The sturdy 5-rod design holds multiple garments while taking up very little space, making it perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, bathrooms, balconies, or even small closets. Installation is simple with the included wall template, and the modern design blends seamlessly into almost any home. It's one of those practical upgrades that saves space, keeps your home organized, and makes laundry day a whole lot easier. Turn any space into a cozy place to relax with the Intex Ultra Lounge chair. It inflates in just minutes and features a soft flocked surface, a matching ottoman, and even a built-in cup holder for extra comfort. Perfect for movie nights, gaming, guests, dorm rooms, or simply kicking back after a long day. Bring your favorite clothes back to life with this rechargeable fabric shaver. It quickly removes lint, fuzz, and annoying fabric pills from sweaters, hoodies, coats, blankets, furniture, and more, making everything look cleaner and almost brand new again. With 3 adjustable speed settings, a built-in LED light to help you spot every last fuzzball, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it's designed to make fabric care quick and effortless. Instead of replacing worn-looking clothes, give them a fresh new look in just a few minutes with this simple but incredibly satisfying home essential. Add style, storage, and lighting all in one with this modern floor lamp. It features 3 built-in shelves that are perfect for displaying books, plants, photos, candles, or your favorite decor while keeping your space organized. The included 3-color temperature bulb lets you switch between warm, natural, and cool lighting to match any mood. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or office, this lamp is an easy way to make any space feel brighter and more inviting. Bring a calming touch to any room with this tabletop water fountain. The gentle flowing water and soft lighting create a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for your desk, bedroom, or living room. Brighten up those dark spaces without dealing with messy wiring. These rechargeable under-cabinet lights attach magnetically in just seconds and feature a built-in motion sensor that automatically turns them on when you walk by. With 5 adjustable brightness levels, they're perfect for kitchens, closets, stairways, pantries, and hallways. When it's time to recharge, simply detach the light and plug it in. No batteries required. It's a simple upgrade that makes your home feel more modern, more convenient, and a whole lot brighter. Cleaning the toilet is never fun, but this Clorox toilet wand makes it much easier and far more hygienic. Instead of using a traditional toilet brush that traps germs, bacteria, and dirty water, it uses disposable cleaning heads that click securely into place, scrub away tough stains, then detach with the press of a button when you're finished. Each cleaning head comes preloaded with disinfecting cleaner that helps kill 99.9% of germs while reaching under the rim and into those hard-to-clean areas. The included storage caddy keeps everything neatly organized and within reach, making this one of those simple bathroom upgrades that saves time, reduces mess, and makes cleaning feel a lot less unpleasant. Upgrade your sink with this touchless automatic soap dispenser that makes washing your hands quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. Its built-in motion sensor dispenses soap without you ever touching the pump, helping reduce the spread of germs while keeping your countertop cleaner. You can easily adjust the amount of soap it dispenses to match your preference, making it great for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even the office. The sleek brushed nickel finish gives it a modern look that fits almost any space. It's a simple upgrade that adds both convenience and a cleaner, more polished feel to your home, making everyday hand washing feel just a little more effortless and hygienic. Keep annoying fruit flies, gnats, and other flying insects under control with this indoor plug-in insect trap. The UV light attracts bugs, while the strong adhesive cards quietly trap them without sprays or harsh chemicals. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or anywhere unwanted bugs tend to appear. Cleaning the inside of your windshield doesn't have to be awkward anymore. This windshield cleaning tool features an extendable handle and a pivoting head that easily reaches deep into corners and across the entire glass without straining your arm. The reusable microfiber pads help lift away dust, fingerprints, haze, and buildup that can reduce visibility while driving. It's perfect for cars, SUVs, trucks, and even home windows or mirrors. If you want a clearer view on the road and a faster way to keep your glass spotless, this is one of those simple tools you'll be glad to have in your car. Stubborn jar lids are no match for this under-cabinet jar opener. It mounts neatly beneath your cabinet, keeping it hidden but always within reach whenever you need it. Just slide the lid into the grippers and twist for extra leverage, making it easy to open everything from pickle jars to pasta sauce and peanut butter. It's especially helpful for seniors, anyone with arthritis, or anyone who struggles with tight lids. Once you have it installed, you'll wonder how you ever open jars without it. Maximize your closet space with these space-saving pants hangers. The multi-tier design neatly organizes jeans, leggings, scarves, and trousers while helping reduce clutter. The anti-slip bars keep everything securely in place, making your closet look cleaner and much more organized. Make grocery shopping easier and more organized with these Lotus reusable shopping bags. The detachable bags stay neatly together in your cart, making it simple to sort groceries as you shop instead of unpacking everything later. There's even an insulated bag to help keep frozen foods and drinks colder on the way home, along with dedicated holders to better protect eggs and bottles during transport. When you're finished, the bags fold down for compact storage and are machine washable for easy cleanup. It's a smart upgrade that saves time, keeps groceries organized, and makes every shopping trip a little more convenient. Forget carrying bulky chairs to the beach or campsite. This inflatable air lounger fills with air in seconds, no pump required, and gives you a comfortable place to relax almost anywhere. It's lightweight, folds into a compact carrying bag, and is perfect for the beach, camping, hiking, picnics, backyard gatherings, or outdoor festivals. The durable, leak-resistant design helps it stay inflated longer, while the built-in headrest adds extra comfort for lounging. If you love spending time outdoors, this is one of those accessories you'll want to bring on every trip. Don't just cover up unwanted odors, help eliminate them with this Azuna air freshener kit. Powered by natural Australian tea tree oil, it works continuously to help reduce smells from pets, cooking, smoke, trash, bathrooms, and other everyday household odors, without relying on heavy perfumes or artificial fragrances. The stylish glass jars blend beautifully into almost any room, making them look more like decor than an air freshener. Each refill can last up to 90 days, making it a simple, low-maintenance way to keep your home feeling fresher every single day. Wake up feeling more refreshed with this sunrise alarm clock. Instead of a loud alarm jolting you awake, it gradually brightens to simulate a natural sunrise, helping you start your morning more comfortably. It also doubles as a bedside lamp with multiple lighting effects, soothing nature sounds, adjustable volume settings, and plenty of alarm tones to match your routine. At night, you can use the built-in sleep timer and relaxing sounds to help you unwind before bed. It's a simple upgrade that makes both falling asleep and waking up feel more natural, relaxing, and enjoyable every day. Light candles safely and effortlessly with this rechargeable electric lighter. It uses a windproof electric arc instead of a traditional flame, making it great for candles, fireplaces, grills, and fire pits. The long handle keeps your hands safely away from the heat, while the USB rechargeable battery means no more buying disposable lighters. It's a sleek, convenient upgrade that's perfect to keep around the house or take outdoors. Make packing for your next trip a whole lot easier with these TSA-approved travel bottles. The leak-proof silicone design helps keep shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and other liquids securely sealed, so you don't have to worry about spills in your luggage. They're soft, easy to squeeze, simple to refill, and perfectly sized for carry-on travel. Whether you're heading on vacation, a business trip, or a weekend getaway, these reusable bottles help you pack smarter while saving space and avoiding single-use travel containers. Help freshen the air in your home with these ceiling fan blade filters. They quietly capture dust and household particles every time your fan is running,